How do you currently manage and track your breeding dog's ovulation cycles, and what challenges do you face in this process? Ovulation shots for canines, often used in breeding programs, provide several benefits for managing and enhancing the reproductive process in dogs. Here are some of the key benefits. Controlled breeding. These shots help in precisely timing the breeding process. This is particularly important for breeders who aim for specific breeding windows or have logistical constraints. Enhanced fertility. For some females, ovulation shots can enhance fertility by ensuring the release of mature eggs, increasing the likelihood of successful mating. Asking Chaptgbt all about ovulation shots, revolutionary game changer. Useful for irregular cycles. Dogs with irregular heat cycles can benefit from ovulation shots, as they help in inducing ovulation at a more predictable time. Assisted reproductive techniques. In cases where natural mating is not possible or desirable, ovulation shots can be used in conjunction with artificial insemination techniques. Maximizing genetic potential. Breeders aiming to combine specific genetic traits from different dogs can use these shots to optimize the timing of breeding for desired outcomes. Better planning. By controlling the timing of ovulation, breeders can better plan litters, including arranging for necessary health checks and preparing for the care of the mother and future puppies. Ovulation shots for canines, when used appropriately and under veterinary supervision, are generally safe but do carry some risks and potential side effects. Here are key points to consider regarding their safety. Veterinary supervision. It's crucial to use these shots under the guidance of a veterinarian who specializes in canine reproduction. They can determine the appropriate dosage and timing based on the individual dog's health and breed. Side effects. While many dogs tolerate ovulation shots well, some may experience side effects. These can include local reactions at the injection site, changes in behavior, or more rarely, systemic effects. Risk of misuse. Incorrect usage or dosing of ovulation shots can lead to complications. Overstimulation of the ovaries or incorrect timing can negatively affect fertility or the health of the dog. Breed-specific considerations. Some breeds may react differently to fertility treatments, and pre-existing health conditions can also influence the safety and effectiveness of these shots. Long-term health impact. There's limited research on the long-term health impacts of repeated use of ovulation shots in dogs. Breeders and veterinarians need to consider the overall health and well-being of the dog. Ethical breeding practices. It's essential to use these treatments in a manner that prioritizes the health and welfare of the animals involved. Ethical breeding practices should always be a top priority. Providing a precise estimate for the cost of ovulation shots for canines without specific details about the location, the type of medication, and the individual dog can be challenging. However, I can offer a general ballpark figure. Medication cost. The cost of the medication itself can vary, but on average, it might range from $50 to $300 per cycle, depending on the type of drug and the required dosage. Veterinary consultation and services. Initial consultation fees, along with follow-up visits and any necessary tests, like blood work to monitor hormone levels, can add to the cost. This could range from $100 to $500 or more, depending on the number of visits and the level of monitoring required. Additional procedures. If other procedures are needed, for example, artificial insemination, this would add to the cost. So, a rough estimate for the entire process, including medication, veterinary services, and any additional procedures, could range from a few hundred to over $1,000. Keep in mind that prices can vary significantly based on geographic location, the specific veterinary practice, and the individual needs of your dog. For the most accurate estimate, it's best to consult with a veterinarian who specializes in canine reproduction. The cheapest place in the USA is dogssuppliesrus.com. Reply forward. Add reaction.